The throttle actuator failure that puts your E92 M3 into limp mode costs $4,000 to fix. The rod bearings that destroy your engine cost $8,000. But the $30 part that causes both failures? BMW never tells you about that one. Here's what kills me about the E92 M3. BMW built this screaming 8400 RPM V8 masterpiece, then surrounded it with parts that fail like clockwork between 60 and 80,000 miles. And every single failure follows the same pattern. Minor symptom, owner ignores it, catastrophic damage. Let's start with rod bearings because they're the $12,000 nightmare every owner fears. The S65 uses bearings sized for a 3-liter engine, not a 4-liter V8 making 414 horsepower. Add BMW's 10,000-mile oil intervals and those bearings wear down to nothing. You'll hear a subtle knock for exactly 1 to 2 seconds after cold starts. Miss that warning and you're buying a new engine. Here's the data that should terrify you. Oil analysis from Blackstone Labs shows elevated copper and lead content starting at 40,000 miles. By 60,000, you're seeing actual bearing material on the magnetic drain plug. By 80,000, the bearings have 0.003 inches of clearance instead of 0.001. That's when the knocking starts. Preventive rod bearing replacement costs between $4,000 and $6,000. Wait until failure? $8,000 to $12,000, assuming you don't need a new crankshaft. Smart owners install King Racing or ACL bearings rated for higher loads. They cost $800 to $1,200 for the set, but they actually last. Now the throttle actuators. 8 individual throttle bodies means 8 potential failures, and they love dying between 50 and 80,000 miles. Your first warning? The car suddenly drops to 30% power on the highway. Check engine light throws codes P2544 through P2548. Each actuator costs $400 to $600 plus $1,500 to $2,500 in labor. Most shops replace all 8 actuators at once. Total bill, $2,500 to $4,000. But here's the kicker. The 2011 to 2013 models got improved. Actuators that fail less often. If you're buying a 2008 to 2010, budget for this repair immediately. The DCT transmission clutches last anywhere from 40,000 miles if you track the car to 100,000 for highway cruising. Replacement runs $4,000 to $6,000. The mechatronic unit that controls everything? Another $3,000 to $5,000 when it fails. Manual transmission owners laugh until their clutch delay valve sticks. Then they're looking at harsh engagement that destroys synchronizers. The cooling system is a time bomb set for 60,000 miles. Electric water pump fails without warning, $800 to $1,200. Radiator end tanks crack, another $1,000. Thermostat sticks, $600. Do the math. A complete cooling overhaul costs between $2,000 and $3,500, but it beats cooking your engine. Control arm bushings shot by 60,000 miles, $1,200 to $2,000 to replace. Strut mounts dead by 70,000, another $800 to $1,500. The car eats inner edges of tires thanks to aggressive camber settings. You're replacing $300 Michelin PS4S tires every 15,000 miles if you don't adjust alignment. When you upgrade wheels for track use or aesthetics, offset becomes critical. The E92 M3 needs specific fitments to clear those massive brakes and maintain proper suspension geometry. Get it wrong, and you'll accelerate bearing wear and destroy handling. Threepiece.us actually stocks BMW's specific fitments that work with the M3's suspension design. VANOS, system failures hit between 70 and 120,000 miles. Solenoids fail first, $800 to $1,200 in parts. Hub wear adds another $1,500 to $2,500. You'll know it's failing when the car idles rough and loses mid-range power. Codes P015 through P126 confirm it. Pre-purchase inspection on these cars isn't optional. You need rod bearing adaptation values checked, DCT clutch measurements taken, and every throttle actuator tested. Physical oil analysis for bearing material. Cooling system pressure test. Any seller refusing these tests is hiding something expensive. The financial reality? Budget $3,000 to $5,000 annually just for maintenance. That's on top of regular service. Well-maintained examples with complete service records sell for $10,000 to $15,000 more than neglected ones. Do the math. Proper maintenance literally pays for itself at resale. Look, the E92 M3 delivers one of the greatest naturally aspirated engines ever built. That S65 V8 screaming to 8,400 RPM is worth every penny of maintenance. But you need to go in with eyes open and wallet ready. If you can't budget $10,000 annually for upkeep, buy a 335i instead. Your move? Get a pre-purchase inspection that includes oil analysis and diagnostic scanning. Budget for immediate rod bearing replacement if there's no service history. Replace the entire cooling system if components are original. Fix throttle actuators proactively on early models. Find a specialist who knows these cars inside out. Join M3 post forums and learn which failures affect your specific year. Track every service religiously. Do all that, and you'll own one of the last great analog M cars without going bankrupt. Skip any of it, and you'll understand why these depreciated from $90,000 to $25,000. The choice is yours.